A new law, which requires parental consent for minors formed new social media accounts in Arkansas, was temporarily blocked by a federal judge on Thursday and prevented the first restriction from the state's entry into force. U.S. Regional Judge Timothy Brooks. The social media safety law against TikTok, Commodity and X, a technology industry trade group requested by NetChoice a preliminary decision, and it was planned to start on Friday, September 1. NetChoice added that users' constitutional rights have been violated with this requirement and that certain types of speech will be restricted. NetChoice Case Center Director Chris March sees the court's First Amendment online Arkansasan free speech censored by censoring and Arkansans and families work as we improved confidentiality of confidentiality constitution. We look forward to seeing the law permanently shot. Tech group suits AC on a new law that requires a parent permission for minors to create social media accounts. The law, now blocked, contained a fine of $2,500 per violation for companies who no need for age verification, and forbade social media companies and third-party vendors from keeping the identifiable information after reaching site. Restrictions would be applied to social media platforms that produce more than $100 million in annual income. In addition, LinkedIn, Google and YouTube has left certain platforms according to Associated Press. A 50-page decision questioned effectiveness of Brooks' restrictions, and NetChoice said that the law would probably be successful in its struggle against Constitution for adults and non-disregards social media platforms. Social media platforms for adults and non-disregards, in fact, does not seem to be an effective approach when there is content on certain platforms that direct the real concerns of the state, Brooks said. The decision also stated that exemptions invalidate rationale for state restrictions and that law did not define platforms where restrictions are applied sufficiently. Minors need to participate in social media under the law proposed by Georgia GOP U.S. Surgeon General Vivek Murthy. In May, there is not enough evidence to prove that technology companies' social media is safe for children and young people. Sanders said that one reasons why he pushed for legislation has affect social media on mental health. Young people study platforms in recent years. Sanders spokesman Alex Henning published following statement on the X Thursday night on behalf of Governor. Large technology companies are at risking our children's lives. Depression, loneliness and anxiety shown to increase, and our children put into an addictive product that is shown to put human smugglers on plus bases. Today's court decision is disappointing, but I'm sure the chief public prosecutor will strongly defend the law and protect our children. Republican Chief Public Prosecutor Tim Griffin reiterated Sanders' feelings and said in a statement that he